right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to pick up some light reading from where we left off yesterday. So let's dive right in. So in this next section, we will go over the concepts of arrange, act, and assert testing patterns. This is known as the AAA testing pattern. And this is a common pattern used in the unit testing to structure test cases. This is how it works. We have our arrange, which set up the initial conditions and inputs for the test. Act will execute the code being tested, and assert will verify that the output is as expected. Now, this is what it will look like in our test file. We have a defined test update favorite number. The range section will have our favorites contract. It will deploy favorites. This is going to set up the initial conditions. Then we have our act section, which is going to be favorites dot or favorites contract dot store 100. This is going to execute the code being tested. And then you have our assert section, which is going to say assert favorites contract dot retrieve function should return 100, and this is going to verify the outcome. Now, this pattern helps to make tests more readable and maintainable by clearly separating the different stages of the test. Now, let's add one more test using the AAA pattern. If we look at our favorites.y file, we will see that we have an add person function. This function allows us to add a person's name and their favorite number. Now, we're going to leave it right there right now. Like I said, I want to move too far too fast. So we're going to stop here and pick it back up tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.